During this COVID-19, JNTUH Hyderabad is going to conduct different types of examinations for UG, PG and other examinations. And especially in this COVID situation, university has given a separate special curriculum and design of your examination paper, that out of 5 units, they are going to prepare only 8 questions and you are answering only 5. So out of 8, you are answering only 5. And this is applicable for all examination papers. Especially, I am focusing on Mathematics 2, it is Regulation 18, BTech people, for all branches. So when you look onto the examination paper, out of 5 units, I just give you one experiment that it is from 5 units, 1, 2, 3. From these 3 units, each 2 problems, and 4th and 5th units, only each 1 problem. So out of 8 problems, you are answering only 5. And coming to the detailed explanation of your complete paper, I am giving you one guest paper. It is only an expected paper. It is useful for your practicing purpose and to understand the pattern of your examination to be conducted by university. And once again I remind you that it is not as it is paper that you are going to expect in the final exams. It's only a guest paper that I am giving to you. And along with the guest paper, I am also giving you the clues how to write down the solution corresponding to the problems. So just you look onto the paper and later on I just give you one important information.
Now let us continue our mathematics guest paper. It's only in a guest paper, expected paper, that we can expect in the second semester examination of your mathematics 2 of R18 JNTUH Hyderabad. Look on to the first one. As usual, as I told you that first unit, second unit, third units, each from 2 problems, and 4th and 5th units, each 1 problem that you can expect in the final semester exam. So if I look at the first one, first a bit, solve y into y square minus 2x square of dx plus x into 2y square minus x square of dy equal to 0. This differential equation looking in the form of mdx plus ndy equal to 0. If it is exact, you can find out the solution. Non-exact, you can use any one of the 4 methods. But look at this problem, it is looking like y into some f of x comma y dx plus x into some g of x comma y dy equal to 0 type. So you can use the integrating factor 1 divided by mx minus ny for this problem. Similarly, 1b bit, solve dy by dx plus y minus 1 of cos x equal to e power minus sin x into cos square x plus cos x. So this problem, it is nothing but one type of linear differential equation. So based on that, you can directly find out your solution. Similarly, second a bit, if the temperature of air is 20 degrees and the temperature of body drops from 100 degrees to 80 degrees in 10 minutes, what will be its temperature after 20 minutes? When will be the temperature is 40 degrees? So naturally this problem is belonging to Newton law of cooling. So use that particular thing and you can find out first the constant terms C and K. Based on that, you are going to calculate 2 requirements as per your data. Coming to second B bit, solve 2px equal to 2 tan y plus p cube into cos square y. So this is nothing but a differential equation. It is of first order but not first degree. So this can be useful to find out the solution that solvable for x. The reason is your degree of x variable is nothing but 1. So based on that, you can apply your procedure of solvable for x and directly find out the solution. So 1 and second, these are from unit number 1. Coming to third a bit, solve d square plus 1 of y equal to sin x into sin 2x. So it is a from second unit. So you are going to think about the right side, sin x sin 2x, sin a into sin b, that can be converted into, you can use a formula cos of a plus b and cos of a minus b. Based on that you can directly find out your solution for this. And third b bit, solve d square y by dx square minus 6 dy by dx plus 13y equal to 8 e power 3x into sin 2x. So higher order differential equation, as usual find out yc, and yp can be calculated. Just you look onto the right side, it is e power ax into v model. So you can apply that particular procedure, you can find out the solution. Fourth a bit, solve d square minus 4d plus 4 of y, it is equal to 8x square e power 2x into sin 2x. So again it is higher order differential equation. So from that yc, as usual yp, first thing is nothing but it is looking like e power ax into v. So e power 2x you are taking to the left side and make the simplification. Again it is looking like some x to the power of k into v model. So x power k into v model, you are using two procedures in that so that you can find out the solution. Fourth b bit, x square y double dash minus xy dash plus 4y, it is equal to x square into sine of logarithm of x. So this is nothing but Cauchy-Euler equation, looking like x square d square xd and something. So directly you can use Cauchy-Euler equation and find out the solution. So third and fourth from unit number 2. Coming to fifth one, fifth a bit, evaluate double integral xy dx dy over x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So you are calculating the double integral. No limits are given, only one equation is there. From that, as usual, by using the process, first you are calculating y limits from the given equation. Then to get the x limits, substitute y equal to 0, you will get x limits. Directly find out the double integration based on x and y limits. Okay, fifth b bit, find double integral 0 to a 0 to under root of a square minus y square. The integrand is x square plus y square dy dx by changing into polar coordinates. Very simple. In the polar coordinates, x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta, such that dx dy equal to r dr d theta and x square plus y square equal to r square. Based on that, you can directly find out first the limits. So once again I remind you that r and theta, the new variables, polar coordinates, r limits can be calculated by using a principle. It is x square plus y square equal to r square. Substitute both lower limits and upper limits, one lower limit, one upper limit to different combinations. You can calculate the different values of r. Theta can be calculated by using only the lower limits of the given variables in x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. So that after getting both r and theta limits, find out your integral value. Next, sixth a bit, find double integral 0 to a and integral x square to 2 minus x xy dx dy by changing the order of the integration. So in order to change the order of the integration, first you identify the limits of the variables. The first integral is x integral, second integral is y integral, and the previous order is nothing but it is dx dy. Now you are changing the order of the integration into dy dx. For that you construct a diagram and identify the common area. From that common area, you draw a line horizontal to required axis, and by that you find out the new limits for x and y variable. Then you can find out the integral value. Sixth b bit, find the area of region bounded by y square equal to 4ax and x square equal to 4ay. We have a separate formula for that, so use that formula in order to calculate area using the double integration side. So already two equations are there. By the two equations you can find out the double integral value. Next, seventh a bit. So when you are going to consider this fifth and sixth, both are belonging to third units. Now coming to seventh a bit, It is find the directional derivative of xy square plus yz cube at the point 2 minus 1 1 in the direction of I plus 2j plus 2k. So you are calculating the directional derivative of a given scalar function at a particular point, and using the direction of I plus 2j plus 2k. So directional derivative formula, it is unit vector multiplied by gradient of that scalar function, and you can find out the answer. 7th B bit, it is show that x square minus yz of I plus y square minus zx of j plus z square minus xy of k is irrotational and find its scalar potential. So in order to verify whether it is irrotational or not, find out the curl of the given vector point function. If it is equal to 0, we call it as irrotational. Under that particular condition, you can find out the scalar potential. So there exists one scalar function phi such that phi equal to, it is gradient of that vector. So it is directly, you can use your formula in order to calculate your scalar potential. Next, 7th A and B bit, both are from 4th unit. Coming to the last unit, 5th unit, 8th A bit, find the work done by a vector f bar equal to 2x minus y plus 2z of I plus x minus y, x plus y minus z of j plus 3x minus 2y minus 5z of k along a curve C in xy plane by x square plus y square equal to 4. Work done is nothing but it is a single integral, line integral. You are calculating for that, either work done or a circulation, anyone you can use the line integral only. So everything you are converting into a single variable, and the plane is given x square plus y square equal to 4. So that can be calculated by converting into polar coordinate, like x equal to 2 cos theta and y equal to 2 sin theta, satisfying that condition, and you can convert into only in terms of theta and find out that line integral value. Next, 8th B bit, use divergence theorem to find out double integral xi plus yj plus z square k dot n bar ds, where s is the surface bounded by x square plus y square equal to z square and z equal to 4. So you are using Gauss divergence theorem in order to find out this double integral value. Remember, whenever you are using Green's theorem, Gauss theorem and Stokes theorem, when they ask to find out one integral value, you are using its opposite integral by using the formula. So here they are asking double integral means the right side in Gauss divergence theorem is triple integral. So you can use that triple integral in order to find out that particular value. Easy to calculate that given double integral. So this is one guest paper that I am expecting in semester examination in COVID batch. Out of 8 questions, you are answering only 5. This is for Mathematics 2 expected paper in the coming examinations COVID batch. Thank you.
Now this is your guest paper, what I am expecting in your examination. So I am wishing you all the best so that you can score maximum. And those who are following my video lectures in Master Academy of Mathematics, each and every unit I have given in detail along with the problems and solutions. You better follow it in a systematic model, and you can share the links to all of your friends, and better you increase the number of subscribers so that you will get latest information regarding to the mathematics. Especially we are focusing only on mathematics paper. Okay, JNTUH Hyderabad Regulation 18 Mathematics 2. And in the next coming videos, after getting your examination, these examinations are going to be started from November 16th. On first day itself, you will be having Mathematics 2 paper. So after getting that paper, I just make the comparison between my guest paper, my videos and my experiences along with you. So have a good day and best of luck.